Hello, Blanca here. Welcome to my channel, and welcome everyone that joined, everyone who is new. I'm very happy that you're here. I wanted to talk today about the home Fraxel. Basically, it's gonna be about the fractional lifting procedure that you can do at home. It's different than the laser Fraxel that people are doing in the salons, in the offices. It's not the CO2 Fraxel, it's not the popular Halo. It's different. It's using the FIBROBLAST pen device for skin tightening, which is like the more popular cheap pen, but I'm not gonna be using this one. I'm gonna explain later why. And this kind, which I'm gonna be using, my favorite. I did some research based on the popular expensive plasma pen that you can do the Fractional skin tightening with it too, and they have a different attachments to it. I order also that kind of attachments, and I check their instruction, and I'm gonna be following their instructions with my pen. This fractional lifting procedure is good. I'm gonna be doing obviously with the skin with the plasma pen. What is good about it that, like, for example, if you're scared doing the regular plasma fibroblasting with the pen, which comes with like a tiny little needle, or basically different attachments, thicker or thinner, depends what you are using for. If it's for freckles removal, mole removal, tattoo removal, it comes with a different attachments. But in this video for the fractional lifting procedure, I'm gonna show you first attachment is this one. It's kind of like, what is it called, fractional head. I will call it the meat tenderizer head, because that's how it looks like. With this attachment, you're not gonna be sliding on your face. You're gonna be doing in the kind of the motion, tapping motions on your face. Meat tenderizer head, it helps with the penetration of the essence. You serums, you can use hyaluronic acid, but you have to like reapply it because that kind of the skin absorbs fast. You can use copper peptides, and you can use, which I think I'm gonna be using today, the EGF Growth Factors for the better absorption and penetration inside the skin. The other attachment, the flat one, it's basically kind of the same thing. It's just more for lifting, for anti-aging, that kind of stuff. And also you can use it with the same serums. What else you have to know is that this kind of treatment, unlike the fibroblast treatment, is not gonna burn your face, so there's not gonna be burn marks. There's no downtime to it, so there's like I said, no burns. You're not gonna have scabs. It's not painful. Well, it depends what kind of intensity you choose, but it's not really painful. I tried it yesterday on my hand, on my both hands, and as you see, like, there's nothing, no marks, nothing on it. I could feel it a little bit kind of with the fibroblasting, but it was no painful. What I felt it was a little bit on my hands after, kind of like burning sensation, like a sunburn, but on that went away fast. I applied some lotion. You can apply some cooling lotion, which will help to cool it down. Other thing, what is great about this procedure, Fractional, is that you can use it like, well, anyone can use it. Darker skin tone, lighter, mixed skin. There's not such a problems like, you know, after fibroblasting, that you might have any discoloration after, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So with this one, you're not gonna get this. So it's safe to use for any skin type, skin tone. Last thing, if you have any fillers in your face, I don't really have any. I did lips one time, but I have a high metabolism, so it's just being absorbed very fast, and especially if you exercise often, that will metabolize faster. So if you have any fillers, that procedure, fractional skin tightening, will deteriorate your filler. So you have to remember that. You can, I was thinking about it, and you can, I guess, if you have maybe filler in your lips, you can avoid that area, I think, or wherever you have the filler, maybe you can avoid the area. That's my thought. All right, so I'm gonna clean my face, because you have to do it obviously on clean face, and I'm gonna show you the whole process. Okay, so I clean my face, and let me just show you a few things, how to use this pen if you don't have this pen. I think this one for the plasma fibroblast is the best one. There's 9 levels, and I think the power through the levels are with this pen is the best. It's just the power is continuous through each level. It just gradually is more powerful and more stable. That's why I like this pen more than for example this one, the mole. All right, so to power it on, you press this button for at least 3 seconds. All right, so now it's on. I have the one with the cable that you have to use it, but there's you can get the one that is also wireless too. They have like some internal battery that you can charge. All right, so once it's on, you choose the frequency level, which is this button. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's only 4 levels of frequency. I'm gonna choose frequency number 2, and then this button, the last one, is the levels 1 through 9. So just press it, 9, and then goes to 0, and then again 1 for the first treatment with the fractional head. I'm gonna be using, as the instruction said in the expensive pen, it was to use at intensity level 3 to 5. I'm gonna be using level 3. So that's how you are setting up the pen. Obviously I should put the head first, so I have to turn it off and put the head on first. So when you turn it off, you just press that power button again for like 3 seconds, and it powers off. All right, so let's put the meat tenderizer on. All right, power it on. Frequency, is already frequency 2, and then the level 3. I'm gonna apply hyaluronic acid face, and then some growth factors. I use it on my neck too. You can use it on your neck, just avoid the thyroid. And my favorite, Bradceuticals Growth Factors. All right, let's start. So as the instruction was saying, you do this one with the meat tenderizer, tapping motion. You can do horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. Let's see how it's gonna be. Oh, wait, one more thing. So if you want to use it, because now it's just set to what you want to use it for, but to actually turn it on, you have to press the power button again. When you see the blinking light, that means you can use it. And this is something that this pen, when this is on, use that continuously. You don't need to press anything. That's why I can't really use the attachment with this pen, because there's no such a setting. All right. What? Okay. It's not painful, guys. I can just smell some burning. So the level 3 is not that bad. Oops. You can still feel it. Around the eyes, important. I love those eyebrows. Not bad, not bad. I want to update also those that saw my video about the threads. Today is the second day when I did the threads. I have, maybe you can see, a little bruise because I hit the vein, but all the swelling, everything already went away. This kind of treatment, the Fractional, you can do it every 4 weeks, because that helps obviously with the collagen production, and that takes time. Okay, let's do the neck. And what's important, the jawline too. Concentrate on that. All right, so that's will be it with that kind of tip, the Fractional. So now we have to turn it off to switch the head. With this flat attachment head, we can do it on the intensity, like the instruction was saying, 5 to 7, so a little bit stronger. Let's turn it on again. Frequency 2, let's do level 5, 3, 5. And with this attachment, we can do it, can be done in the circular motion. The thing is too, like if you touch the skin already and do the circular motion, you're not gonna feel that the tickle that you when you touch every time with the Fractional, because you just touch it and you gliding it on your skin. So basically once you touch it, you don't feel anything. It's grounded and it's cool. Seriously, let's reapply the growth factors. And no, I'm not burned. My skin is just always, if I touch it, it turns red right away. Alright, so frequency level 2, power level number 5. Let's do it. Oh yeah, obviously you're not gonna feel anything too because I didn't turn it on. Now it's on. I think I can choose higher intensity. Intensity number 7. Oh, yeah, I can feel it now. I'm gonna reapply some serum hyaluronic acid for better sleep. Okay, I guess that's it. So you use the Fraxel tip first, which I call meat tenderizer. This one, then the second, the flat one. That's the whole treatment with the serum, copper peptides, hyaluronic acid, growth factors, and you can do it every 4 weeks. I feel like it absorbs very good. It's shiny right now, but it feels good. I don't feel any burning. There's a little redness because from touching. Let me know if you ever try it, if you hear about it, because I don't know if this is that popular. Maybe with the expensive pen. I'm not gonna say the name because I don't want to advertise them. I can't afford this pen. It's just ridiculously expensive, but if you want to try, this one is cheaper, probably around $20 plus the attachments. I got it extra. Yeah, and let me know. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you like the video. Comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.